Yes, sir.
How are you, sir? You have tear gassed our rooms. You have raided and broken all rooms.
Not all rooms, we have not broken any. We opened.
No, I've been filming. I've been filming. You have been live. You know. Ono si muchibi. Yeah, umami ogwemulabaye muchibi. He has raided us together with this team. As you can see them, all of them. We just want to make sure the world is following everything that you're doing. Okay? This is the squad that has raided our hotel, tear gassed our rooms. Yeah. As you can see, they keep hiding their faces, but Mama Jizako magician. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's a situation up here in a hotel. We've been raided by the police, as you can see. But thanks to the exposure, yeah, I think now they've left because the cameras have increased. That is the situation right now. We thank all of you that have spread this message all over the world. It is your camera that keeps us safe. Thank you very much. We shall keep you updated.